Hey guys, it's Lilac Second Grade Worksheet Lesson 22. So make sure you write down your name and the date. It says solving story problems review. Example, there are 27 children playing kickball on the playground. Then 13 children join the game. How many children in all are playing kickball? So first we would put 27 and 13 and add them because they're joining the game and not leaving the game. So it's addition. And we will line it up to the tens and the ones place. So 27 plus 13. So first 7 plus 3 is 10, and you'll carry the 1 over like you see right here in red, the 1 right here if you can see it. And then you'll drag it over, so 1 plus 2 plus 1 is 4. So our answer is 40 children. Check. How do we know our answer makes sense? We know that 27 is close to 30 and 13 is close to 10. So 30 plus 10 equals 40. So we know our answer makes sense. Add the regrouping. Let's solve question number 1 first in a blue pen. Number 1, it says there are 35 girls and 25 boys in the play. How many children are in the play? So they're asking for all. So we would add, so 35 plus 24, line them up. So 5 plus 4 equals 9, and 3 plus 2 equals 5. So our answer is 59 children. And how do we check? We know that 35 is close to 40. We know that 35 is close to 40, and 24 is close to 20. And 40 plus 20 equals 60, and 59 is really close to 60. So we know our answer makes sense. Next page. Solving story problems continued. Number 2. There are 21 baseball bats for sale on the shelf. There are 29 bats in the back room. How many bats are for sale in all? In all, like we went over before, and we should notice, it means addition. So we have to add 21 plus 29 since we're asking for everything. So 9 plus 1 equals 10, and we'll put 0 and carry the 1 over to the tens place. And make sure you line up your ones and your tens correctly. And 1 plus 2 plus 2 equals 5. So our answer would be 50 bats. And let's make sure our answer is correct. 21 is close to 20, and 29 is close to 30, and 20 plus 30 equals 50, exactly. So we know our question answer is correct. And now let's jump to question number 4. Let me read it for us. It says 28 girls and 19 boys are on the playground. How many children are on the playground? They're asking for all the children, so we will add 28 plus 19. 9 plus 8 equals 17. Carry the ones over to the tens place. 1 plus 2 plus 1 equals 4. So we will write down 4 at our tens place, and our answer is 47 children. And always get into the habit of checking your answer. So let's check. 28 is close to 30, and 19 is close to 20. 30 plus 20 equals 50, and 47 rounded is 50, so we know it is correct. Let's move on to page number 3. This is something different. Two-digit addition by regrouping. Show. Add the ones. Are there 10 or more ones? If so, group 10 ones as 1 10. Write how many tens and ones. So let's look at this example done here for us. So it says we have to add the ones first, then say we got to check if there are 10 or more ones. So if so, we will regroup as 110. Let's add the ones. There are 6, and we're going to try doing this in our head. So solving number 1, we have to add this ones, which is 9 and 6. Let me highlight that better for us. 9 and 6, those are our ones. So 9 plus 6 equals 15. And it says if there are 10 or more ones, regroup. So it's 15, so we will add one more 10. So we will write 5 ones. Oops. 5 ones. And since we regrouped, remember we have to add 4 plus 1 plus 1, which is 6 tens. So we will have 6 tens and 5 ones. This is a little confusing, so if it's really confusing and you can't do this in your head, make sure you write it down. I'll write down the second problem if we're a little confused. Let's jump down to number 10. We're going to look at our ones place first. So the 7 and the 5. 7 plus 5 is 12, and let me write that for us. 7 plus 5 equals 12. I'll show you guys a visual. And now there are 10 or more ones. So we will write down 2 ones first over here, and we gotta carry that one of the 10s over because there are 10, and we have to regroup. There's 12, so we have to regroup. And now 5 plus 3 plus 1 is 9. So we have 9 10s and 2 1s. With practice, this will make more sense. Okay. Last page. Word problems. Let's answer question number 3. Andrew has 64 crayons. Kelly has 12 crayons. How many crayons do they have in all? So, to practice this method, two-digit addition by regrouping, we're going to solve it like this. Oops, sorry, I forgot to highlight that. There are more than 10 ones, so let's highlight yes. Okay, but moving back here, let's answer the question like the other page. So 64 plus 12. And let's see. 4 plus 2 equals 6, so there's 6 ones. And 6, so there aren't 10 or more ones, so it will be no if you were to do it like here. So let's just write no just for our example. And 6 plus 1 equals 7, so we have 7 tens. And 7 tens plus 6 ones equals 76. So our answer will be Andrew and Kelly have 76 crayons in all. Okay, that's it